Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install and configure Active Directory Right Management Services. What is ADRMS? ADRMS is Information Protection Technology. It is designed to reduce information leakage. ADRMS integrated with Windows operating system. It is based on symmetric and public key, protect data at rest in transit, and use. ADRMS requirements. Windows Server 2025. Configured Active Directory. Client machine, it should be member for domain server. Now let's go to the server and configure ADRMS. Go to Server Manager. This is our server name RMSVR. Domain name stb.local. Our Ethernet 0 IP address is 10.0.0.1. Now I am going to create Active Directory users. Click Tools. Click Active Directory Users and Computers. Let's maximize it. Expand domain name. Right-click on domain name. Select New. Select Organizational Unit. I am given it name RMS Users. Click OK. Now I am going to create 4 new users. Right-click RMS Users. Select New. Click User. Fill username example Bob. User logon name is same. Click Next. Fill password. Confirm password. Let's click on User cannot change password. Click on Password never expires. Click Next. Click Finish. And in the same way, I will make the rest of my 3 users. Now our all 4 user is created, Bob, Sam, Larry, RMS admin. Right-click in our MS admin user. Select Add to Group. Click Advanced, click Find Now. Select Enterprise Admin. Click OK. Click OK. Now our MS admin user is member of Enterprise Admin Group. Click OK. Select all 4 user. Let's right-click on it. Select Properties. Check on Email. Type here %username %at stb.local. Click on Apply. Click OK. Through this command, we can set the mail ID of all our 4 users simultaneously. Now you can see user have a mail ID. Mail ID is mandatory, otherwise Active Directory Right Management Service did not works properly for user document protections. Let's close Active Directory Users and Computers. Now I am going to create new folder. Let's double-click on this PC. Click Documents. I am creating new folder on Documents. You can create new folder on C or D drive as per your according. Create new folder. I am given it name RMS Docs. Go to this folder Properties. Click Sharing. Click Advanced Sharing. Click Share this folder. Click Permission. Check on Full Control. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Close. Now our share folder is created. Let's close Documents. Now I am going to install and configure Active Directory Certificate Services. Go to Server Manager. Click on Dashboard. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Check on Active Directory Certificate Services. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Check on Certificate Enrollment Policy Web Service. Check on Certificate Enrollment Web Service. Check on Certification Authority Web Enrollment. Click Next. Web Server IIS, click Next. Role services, leave as default, click Next. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Now the Active Directory Certificate Services installation is started. It will take some time. Now the ADCS is installed. Click on Configure Active Directory Certificate Services on the destination server. Click Next. Select Role Service to configure. Check on Certification Authority. Check on Certification Authority Web Enrollment. Click Next. Enterprise CA. Click Next. Root CA. Click Next. Create a new private key. Click Next. Cryptography for CA. Click Next. CA name. Change it to ADRMS via -CA. Click Next. Validity period. Default is 5-year. You can choose days, weeks, months, years. In my case I am set 1-year validity of certificate. Click Next. This is CA database location. Click Next. Click on Configure. Now the Active Directory Certificate Services is configuration started. Configuration succeeded. Click Close. Do you want to configure additional role services? Click No. Click Close. Click Tools. Click on Certification Authority. Now Certification Authority is open and running our certification services. Let's close Certification Authority. Click on Tools. Click Internet Information Services Manager IIS. Let's maximize it. Click on Server. Double-click on Server Certificate. Click on Create Domain Certificate. Fill distinguished name properties. Fill the all information properly for certificate. Click Next. Specify Online Certification Authority. Click Select. Select Certificate Server. Click OK. Fill friendly name. ADRMS. Click Finish. Now our domain certificate is created. Let's close IIS Manager. Now I am going to install Active Directory Rights Management Services. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Select Server Roles. Check on Active Directory Rights Management Services. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Installation in progress. Click on Perform additional configuration. Click Next. Create a new ADRMS root cluster. Click Next. Select Use Windows internal database on this server. Click Next. Fill domain user account. Click on Specify. Type stb.local/rmsadmin. Fill password. Click OK. Click Next. Cryptographic Mode 2. Click Next. Use ADRMS centrally managed key storage. Click Next. ADRMS cluster key password. Set cluster password. Click Next. Select default website. Click Next. Type here fully qualified domain name. RMS via .stb.local. Click Next. Choose an existing certificate. This one is domain certificate as I earliest created. Click Next. Licensor certificate. Click Next. Register the SCP now. Click Next. Click Install. Installation in progress. ADRMS is successfully configured. Click Close. Click Close. Go to Tools. Select Active Directory Rights Management Services. Let's maximize this console. Click Yes. It is getting error. Click OK. RMS server is not started. You need to restart your server. Close ADRMS. Close Server Manager. Restart server. Log on as domain admin. Go to Tools. Select Active Directory Rights Management Services. Let's maximize this console. Click Yes. Adding ADRMS cluster. Gathering cluster information. As you can see, our ADRMS server is configured successfully. Now let us verify the ADRMS server is working properly or not. Go to Client Machine. Click on Other User. Log on as Bob user. Go to Run. Type WinWord. Click OK. Click Close. Click Blank Document. Type some text here for testing purpose. This is RMS server testing document. Click on File. Click Info. Click Protect Document. Click on Restrict Access. Click Connect to Rights Management Server and get templates. Click Yes. Type username stb.local/bob. Type password. Click OK. Retrieving templates from server. The logged-in user could not be authenticate. Click OK. I will connect again RMS server. Click again Protect Document. Click Restrict Access. Connect again RMS server. Now RMS server is connected. Click Protect Document. Click on Restrict Access. Select Restricted Access. Check on Restrict Permission to this document. Read rights. I will given this document read rights to Larry user. Fill Larry user mail ID. Change rights. I will given this document change and edit rights to RMS admin user. Click OK. Click on Save As. Click Browse. Access the server. /RMSVR. Press Enter. Double-click on RMS Docs folder. Save file on this folder. I am given it name this file, bob_docs. Click Save. Close Word file. Log of Bob user. Now I am going to verify this document. Log on as Larry user. Right-click on Windows. Select Run. Access the server. /RMSVR. Press Enter. Double-click on RMS Docs. Open bob_docs. Click OK. Click Yes. Fill Larry user credentials. Click OK. Click Close. Click Accept. Click Close. Now the document is open. All options are grey out. Click View Permission. Larry user cannot be a cut, copy, paste, even not edited, print this document. Larry can view only writes. Click OK. Close Word. Close RMS Docs folder. Now log off Larry user. Now log on as Sam user. Right-click on Windows. Select Run. Access the server. /RMS VR. Press Enter. Double-click on RMS Docs. Open Bob_Docs. Click OK. Click Yes. Fill Sam user credentials. Click OK. Bob_Docs file cannot open, because Bob did not provide any rights to Sam user. That's why Sam cannot access this file. Click Close. Click Accept. Click Close. Close Word. Close this folder. Sign out Sam user. Now I am going to log on as RMS admin user. Right-click on Windows. Select Run. Access the server. /RMS VR. Press Enter. Double-click on RMS Docs. Open Bob_Docs. Click OK. Click Yes. Fill RMS admin user credentials. Click Close. Click Accept. Click Close. Now the document is open. Now the words options are visible here. Click View Permission. RMS admin user cannot be a print or no full control on this document. Click OK. Close Word. Close RMS Docs folder. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install and configure ADRMS on Windows Server 2025. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.